This is a mechanical room that has two furnaces. This house is up to 7,500 square feet in size. We have two high efficiency furnaces in this mechanical room, as you can see here. We have a high efficiency large media filter on the return side. This is a very easy and simplistic filter change that we've installed and provided for our customer. We provide maintenance biannually on this mechanical room for these two systems, which means changing filters, checking humidifiers, checking airflow, thermostats, a very thorough and comprehensive assessment twice a year. As you can see, this is our return air duct. All of our seams are sealed and taped all the way through this home. All the way through, all of our duct work that goes through this home, over 500 feet, is all above ceiling in a truss. Nothing is soffitted, nothing is below the ceiling area. We have zoning in this home, as you can see. We have zone control valves here, which provide zoning for the main and lower level independently of each other. Here's our zoning panel. This home has two 200 amp control panels, electrical panels. This is the other furnace. We also have installed ultraviolet light, which is an air sterilization system within this home. It sterilizes the air. This is the unit right here. Does a wonderful job. We have a MERV 12 filter in the return air. This serves the upper level of over 3,000 square feet. This furnace alone has a two-stage air conditioning system that serves the upper level. R410A. Again, our seams are all sealed and taped all the way through this home. This is a very unique and comprehensive application. This is a HEPA air filtration system that you see here. This will remove particulates in the air down below 0.01 microns in size. Extremely effective. This runs all year round, the HEPA filtration, as well as the fan blowers on the furnace will run continuously year round, which are variable speed ECM motors, basically costing less than 10 cents per day to operate. A huge savings. We're just going to scan the mechanical room. What you see here is the radiant floor heating system, which controls the sport court, basketball court, arena. We have two air exchangers in this home. As you can see, one serves the main and lower level, the other serves the upper level for ventilation, whole house ventilation year round. As you can see, all of our ductwork is insulated, secured, sealed, tight, and taped. This is our gas line installation coming from our 425 gas meter on the outside of the home. This has all been dedicated and designed